For this internship, I will be working remotely from Qatar.
I am from Bengaluru.
I live in Stockholm.
I'm 18 years old. I study in Isha Homeschool, Coimbatore.
And I've just finished my undergraduate education at Singapore Management University, where I studied economics and public policy.
I am pursuing a master's course from University of Edinburgh.
I am an undergraduate student at the University of Michigan, majoring in psychology and applied statistics.
I've been working as a school administrator in a K-12 category school in Saharanpur, UP for the past 15 years.
I also worked as a curriculum developer in a couple of edtechs in Gurgaon, such as Exceed and Educomp and Tata Interactive Systems.
I started my journey as a computer teacher. These last 20 years, starting with IT education, where we taught simple programming, basic DOS.
Started my career in India working on business development and sales for a digital edtech company.
Learning a lot of new skills and finding out about how digital and tech solutions can be used to improve the access to education and quality of education in India.
I'm hopeful that this internship gives me opportunities to develop skills and resources that can enable me to work in an edtech.
I believe that the insights and expertise that I gather from this internship would certainly help me at my school and further workings.
I think there's great to learn the energy. I think they are all zealots. So I want to learn all that from there.
Work experience, and I'm really looking forward to interacting with people and learning more about the education sector.
I would like to collaborate cross-functionally with the other team members which are working on SEO, marketing campaigns, project managers, UX designers. This will help me to enhance my skills.
I'm just looking forward to help in any way I can, contribute in my small way, and looking forward to that.
The internship is designed to give us a feel of what it's like to have those multiple roles, because there are multiple parts of the edtech space.